What is going on, everybody? It's been a while, and I just took a cast with my rod in this beautiful calm water behind me, and I just got a nice fat mutton fish on my very first cast. I didn't even have my GoPro out or ready, but here he is. Good sized mutton. Oh. So I'm not even that far from my cooler. Wow, he's pissed. Not even very far from my cooler, so I guess I'm gonna take this guy back to the cooler. There was 2 or 3 right next to him, so I'm gonna see if I can't get 1 or 2 more right here before I take him up to the cooler. I gotta kind of scale this cliff face right here to get up there, but yeah, we're gonna do it. I got my backpack over there with my fly rod and some water, some ice packs and stuff like that. Sick, dude. That's awesome. Let's catch another one and then put him in the cooler. So here he is. Actually quite a nice fish. He's not the biggest mutton I ever caught, but next to my head, he's about 18 inches. He's a good size. We can measure him next to my foot. So my foot is 12 inches. So yeah, he's about 18. It's a good mutton, man. Huh. All right. I was really kind of, to be honest, not expecting much fish today. It's boiling hot outside. I'm on the side I never fish, but I am in a location I've never been to before, so this is pretty sweet. I'm gonna get him back up to the cooler and we're gonna start our hike. This heat is nothing to play with, guys. Holy cow. I mean, you can see my shirt. I'm soaking wet. I've only walked maybe 1/8 of a mile. This is gonna be a tough one. And of course I picked the hottest day of the year to do it, with no wind. Well, maybe a little tiny bit of wind. Anyway, I'm gonna put the backpack on, keep moving, let's go. Yo, there is a monster grouper. Monster grouper under this rock. Holy cow. We're gonna try and get him. Let's go. Right under this rock here, right in this corner. There he is. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Oh boy, you see them? There's 3. There's a mutton fish and 2 groupers, all under that rock. Holy shit! Holy crap, yo! Look at them. I'm gonna get one right now. Got him! Oh, he's so deep in there. Wow. He was big. I'm gonna get him out of here. I gotta get this off. Yep, here we go, here we go. No! Almost had him. So there's 2 big groupers and a big mutton snapper right in this hole. All right, well, we got 1 win, we got 1 loss for the day. Away she goes. Holy crap, what a beast. We made it. It is easily the hottest day of my life. And that was the toughest hike I think I've ever made. I mean, there's not a breath of breeze. It's brutal. It's real brutal. I'm just gonna sit in the shade for a little bit and try and catch myself. That hike was grueling. Absolutely the toughest hike I've ever done. Just because of the heat and the weight in my backpack. I gotta put this down. My arm is tired from holding it. I've crawled out from under my shade tree, and we're gonna see if we can't catch some stuff on the fly during the day. Maybe get a little barracuda, maybe a little snapper or something like that. Then we're gonna set some bait out. This high tide should be around 7 o'clock. Tide is just about to be dead low, so yeah, we're just gonna test it out. This is definitely the hottest I think I've ever been in my life. Luckily the wind has just picked up just a pinch, so I've got a little bit of breeze. We've got some mangroves over here. We've got some ledges over there, a couple little shoals, and a nice little flat here. So we're set up to catch just about anything here today. Just need to catch some bait and some food. Oh, this is not good. I've caught a stingray. This is not good at all. I'm hoping oh, that sucks. I don't know how I'm gonna get this back. I just accidentally hooked a stingray. We're gonna get you out there. Come on. Trying to poke me. All right. Crisis averted. Stingray saved. That sucked. I'll let that sink a little bit. Oh, shoot. We got one. We got a fish. Yeah, baby. Look. Oh, wow. We just missed out on a huge grouper. Baby Nassau grouper on the fly. All right. We'll get rid of this guy. Nice, dude. Let this guy go. Pretty cool. Grouper on the fly. See if we can't get another one. Got him. Aha. All right. Schoolmaster on the fly. Third fish of the day. This isn't turning out to be too bad. Started the day with a nice big snapper. Lost a big grouper. Caught a little grouper. Caught a little snapper. I don't know, should I keep him for bait? Nah, I'll probably catch a little barracuda. It is painfully hot, so it is nice to be about chest deep in the water right now. The water is so clear and calm, I can definitely see a shark coming from pretty far away. Not that I'd be able to do anything about it if he came up on me, but gives me a little bit of peace of mind. The wind wind has definitely picked up by like 2 or 3 knots, so it's feeling a lot nicer out here. There's some groupers under this rock kicking up dirt. They hear me stepping around. Got a grouper, got a grouper, got a grouper. We'll walk him out. Got a grouper. Nope, you're coming with me, buddy. All right. Nice Nassau grouper. On the fly, baby. Let's go. Get a photo with this guy. Oh, hooked a rock. Bunch of fish here though. Fly fishing a rocky shoreline, getting bites. Let's catch some dinner right now. Let's go. Now I guess we just kind of sit and wait. It's so hot, I gotta submerge myself. The TFO reel, killing it today. Very nice. Be nice to get a little black grouper or like a decent sized snapper for dinner. Well, I'm sitting in the water because it's so hot. The wind has dropped out almost entirely. Tide is finally rising. It'll be high tide in about 4.5 hours, maybe 5 hours, something like that. So just took the fly rod out to the point, see if I could get a little fish. Nothing out there this time, but I did get a little schoolmaster. Well, not little, he was a pretty good size. Didn't get it on camera, but I got a schoolmaster for dinner. Put him in some lemon juice and lemon pepper seasoning, so we got a little ceviche for dinner. It's turning out pretty well. I'm getting pretty tired, and it's only about, I don't know, 3:30. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to be real with you. I had to quit it. I couldn't handle it today. 110 degrees or whatever it is outside. All the hiking, not a bit of breeze, baking sun, no shade. I had to hike it back to the car, so hopefully you guys enjoy the footage I got today. Maybe the next video we'll do some camping, maybe some live bait fishing, something like that. But as of right now, I'm headed back home with my mutton fish, and I'm about to go make some fried snapper, eat some mac and cheese and some guava duff, baby. Thanks for watching. Check y'all next time. You.